Hello everyone, welcome back to Southern Restoration. In this episode we're going to be tackling the floor. So what we're going to be doing is putting in 12mm marine ply, and we're going to be putting a vapor barrier in between that. What I do have to do before I go near that is I have to cut out two pipes which were previously for the tyre setup that were in it for the compressors. So I'm going to just cut them out, patch them, clean out the van, make sure my sound deadening is still nice on the bed of the van, and then what we're going to do is we're going to cut it and stick it in, screw it down and take it from there. So let's do it. And just to give you a look of how I did, that one could have been a little bit tidier, but I'm fairly happy with it, to be honest with you. This actually turned out quite well. The cut around the corner here, small gap there, but to be honest I don't mind. The reason that is because I underestimated the pace of the jigsaw and it kind of ran away from me a little bit. Here as well turned out quite good, a bit of a gap, but we won't mind that too much. I'm actually quite happy with that, the way it worked out, especially here, because to be honest I was mainly focused on how here would turn out because of the little bends. I wanted to get them at least somewhat accurate, but this will all be covered anyway. There'll be a box going over this for as a squared off with wood to corner it off, so you won't be seeing it. So yeah, it'll be all covered and nice. Right, so everyone, this is it done. So as you see, I actually, out of one of those panels that I cut out of here from cutting out for the arch, fit perfectly in there. The reason this is like this is because now that'll probably be cut out and changed at some point, or something will be done with it. I'll have to put a little prop in here so it doesn't break for now. The reason that is going to be there is because the kitchen is probably going to come out this far. It might even come out more, just by chance. That's just the way the wood was. So yeah, that's the way that is. I decided to make this, this as well, so it fit in nice. This is off my dad's van. I used it as a straight edge, and I realised, oh right, yeah, it's a nice corner piece. So it's not on his. I don't know whether it's just a bit he didn't use, or he just didn't put it on yet. But if you didn't put it on, I'm going to put it on this. I also got these two done. As you can see, turned out really well. I'm really happy with how the wood has turned out. This side turned out really nice now compared to the other side. All the corners real flush, even in there, really nice. Coming over to this side, I had a stroke while I was doing that one. Here, not too bad. There, had another stroke, and the last one was here. So though they're not too bad, this side is way nicer, and I feel like I improved as I went throughout the van. Even with measuring and all that now, I'm starting to get a bit more confident with everything, and yeah, I'm actually starting to really enjoy it. So the floor is now down. I'm going to take it back up and put the vapor barrier in it, sit it back down, screw it down, and then we're done. And after that then I'm going to varnish it just to seal it, and we'll go from there. So let's continue. So as you can see, what I've done here, put white tape in the general areas where there's screws. So each one of these pieces of paper represents a line that goes through at the bottom. And same here, some of the lines are different, that's why there's so many of them. But just to give me a general idea. And under here, as you've seen in the video, that's where I put little pieces of wood just to make up for gaps where I didn't have anything to screw to. So that's it, we're going to screw it down now and it should be nice and solid, and we'll go from there. Okay everyone, this is the end of the video. I got the floor in, it seems to be okay. So we're gonna move on to the next thing in the next episode, and we're gonna finish up here. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you like these shorter videos a bit better than jumbling loads of stuff together. And yeah, check me out on Instagram and my podcast at Cae'sCast. And yes, I'll talk to you in the next one.